Children, today we are going to discuss 12.6 activity. Okay, and the page number is 213. Please write down aim, children, all of you. Please write down aim. Aim of the activity there you write down beside the only children. Okay, so we are here. We are showing that in parallel connection, current is divided. Okay, children. Here in parallel, please note down what is the aim to show that current is divided. Current is divided. To show that current is divided. Here we are showing the current is divided. Anyway, children, first I will show you what is parallel connection. Do you all remember, children? Parallel connection means all positive terminals are connected to one end, all negative terminals are connected to one end, to a battery of potential V, which delivers a current I. Here R1, here R2, here R3. You have to keep on practicing all these derivations, children. If not, you are tend to forget. Across R1, I1 will divide. Across R2, I2 will go. Across R3, I3 will current will go. And total current is divided as I1, I2, I3. All of them will join and come out as I. So what is the total current, children? I1 plus.
I2 plus I3.
But what is current? V by R. What is V I1? V by R1. What is I2?
V by R2.
What is I3? V by R3.
Cancel.
Cancelling potential. Cancelling potential. We'll get 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. If all the resistors are same, N by R, reversing on both the sides, RP is equal to R by N. This was our derivation. So in parallel, current is divided share, whereas potential is constant. Current is divided potential. Here, if it is 100 volts, suppose here also 100, here also 100, here also 100. Potential is constant. Why potential is constant? Because terminals are same, junction is same. Whereas current is not constant. In our houses, we use parallel connection only. Why we use our houses parallel connection? Because all the instruments works under same potential. All the appliances will work under same potential. All the instruments in our house work under same potential. In our house, what is the potential? Can anyone say how much potential we are giving in our house?
220 volts.
20 volts.
220 volts.
220 volts and 50 hertz. So all the appliances will work at 220 volts. If you want them to work at same potential, compulsory parallel connection is required. And current is divided. Different appliances require different currents. No? Different appliances require different currents. No? That's why we join them in parallel. Okay, that is advantage of parallel over series. Now, what we want to show here is we want to show that I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 we want to show. Let us take some example and show, children. Directly we can't show anything, children. Let us take some example. Please take them that example beside the question and the children here. I am taking here one resistance, here one resistance, here one resistance. This is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is 6 ohm. All positive terminals, all negative. All positive terminals to one end, all negative terminals to another end. Plus, minus. This is your battery. Okay, and connected to 24 volt. All of them are connected in parallel. Can anyone tell what is the formula? Parallel connection. 1 by R.
1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3.
R3.
Can you help
1
me,
by
children?
R3 is equal to 1 by
1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6.
plus 1 by 6.
What is the LCM,
1
children?
by R3 is
1 by 12. Sorry, by 12. 6 plus 3 plus 2.
11.
1 by RP is equal to 11 by 12.
RP is
RP is equal to 12 by 11 ohms.
12 by 11 ohms. This is total resistance. Can anyone tell how to find out total current? Total current in the circuit?
IT is equal to V by RS.
V by RP.
IT is equal to potential 24 by 11 into.
So 2 11s are 22 is the amperes. 22 amperes current is flowing in the circuit. 22 amperes will divide here and here and here. Let's see how they will divide. I2 is equal to
V by R1.
I4 is equal to
V by R4.
I6 is equal to
V by R6.
what is V, children? 24.
24.
Because everywhere it will be 24 only. In parallel, potential is Constant.
Constant.
What is V2, V4, V6? Anyone?
24, sir.
24 volt.
Potential
Why?
same in parallel connection.
In parallel, potential is constant. In parallel, potential is constant. In parallel, potential is constant. So 24 by 2, 24 by 4,
24 by 6.
how much?
12 amperes, 6 amperes, and 4 amperes.
Total how much?
22 amperes.
22 amperes. That's what my children. Here also we got 22. Here also we got 22. What we wanted to prove, children? We wanted to prove that total current is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Total current is equal to sum of individual currents. So 22 is coming here, and how it is dividing here? How much, children? 12 is going. Here how much it is going? 6 it is going. Here how much is going? 4 it is going. So 12, 6 and 4 are going, and again all of them are mixing and getting to 22 amperes of the current. Okay, children. Just for practice purpose, children. Just for practice purpose, let's do power of it, children. Power. P2, P4, P6. Which formula you want me to do, children? Your wish.
I by R.
I by R is not there. I square R is there.
I square R.
Okay, I square R, I square R, I square R. Both are different. So I2 square R2, I4 square R4, I6 square R6.
Yes.
Please see here, children. Across this, what is the current? 12.
12 square into 2. 12 square
No,
into
12 square.
6 square. 6 square into 4 and 4 square into 6.
4 square into 6, that is 144. 2s are
288.
36. 4s are 144. 16 6s are 96 watts, like this, children. Okay, anyway, for your understanding, I will do one more formula, so children, so that you will have confidence, children. What is the other formula we have? V8. V2.
V is constant. V2 I.
V4 is equal to VI.
VI4
V6
and
is equal to V.
VI6.
I6.
Why I am not writing V2, V4, V6? Potential
Because
is
in potential is constant in parallel connection.
fantastic. So 24 into 12.
24 into 4.
6,
24 into 4.
4. 24 12s are anyone?
8.
288 watts. 24 6 are anyone?
144 watts.
144 watts. 24 4s are
96 watts.
96 watts. See, children, same answers we are getting, children. That only thing is practice, children. You have to practice. When you practice, you will understand what is really happening in the circuits. Why potential is constant. Here 24 means here also 24, here also 24, here also 24. Because it is parallel. In parallel, potential is constant, whereas current is shared. In parallel, potential is constant, whereas current is shared. And why parallel we use, children? Because all the appliances work under same potential. Different appliances require different current. Switching of one appliance does not affect other appliance. Switching of one appliance does not affect other appliance. Switching of one appliance does not affect other appliance. All appliances work under same potential, and each appliance requires different current, which is possible only in parallel connection. Each appliance requires different current, which is possible only in parallel connection. Like this, we have to do, children. Anyone have any doubt, children? You can ask me.